Hey, welcome back to another edition of Flock Tales with the Kansas Flamingo Chef. That's me, Bill. And today, I'm going to make Flamingo Caribbean rum punch. It's not difficult. There's quite a few things that go into it, but it's really, really good. You need a large glass for this. I've got this oversized Flamingo tall wine glass. It makes for a nice presentation. As far as garnish, you can use an orange, you can use a lime, a lemon, cherries, strawberries, whatever you got. I'm not even going to bother to garnish it. But if you want to pretty it up a little bit, a big chunk of pineapple or an orange looks great. Ingredients: dark rum. I'm going to use Myers Original Dark. It's my favorite dark rum. It also, I think, gives this the best flavor. Not really expensive, but very good. You need white rum. This is Blue Chair Bay white rum, but you could use Bacardi or anything on the market that you like. The key with both of these, do not use flavored or spiced rum, because it will totally change the structure and balance and taste of this cocktail. You need an orange liqueur. Doesn't matter what kind. Triple sec, orange curacao, whatever you want. I'm just going to use this Drilliod orange liqueur. You also need a cognac. You don't need very much, and it honestly doesn't matter what kind you use. Just don't use a real dark cognac because it'll change the balance. So this is just a white champagne cognac. This happens to be ABK6 VSOP. You could use a VS. It's fine too. There's not very much going on with this. You'll need just a splash of grenadine, pineapple juice. I highly recommend you use good pineapple juice. If you use, the juice from the grocery store, it's fine, but the pineapple juice is the base of this drink, and that's where the flavor comes from. So like this is pure pineapple juice. This is Lakewood. This is good stuff. If you can find this, it's worth getting to make this kind of cocktail. Last but not least, other than ice, you need cream of coconut. You can find this at most grocery stores, okay? You need a shaker, you need ice, and you need something to serve it in. First, you need 2 ounces of white rum in your shaker full of ice, 1 ounce of dark rum, 1 ounce of your orange liqueur. Somehow I forgot to mention you need some sweet and sour mix. You only need about 1 ounce of this. This one is Mr. and Mrs. T's. You can make your own, but this stuff is like, I don't know, $3 or $4 at the grocery store, so 1 ounce. Now you got to squeeze this cream of coconut out, and it can fight with you sometimes. And just kind of swirl it down into the glass. If you get this squeeze bottle, it makes it much easier. You need about 1 ounce. After you finally spoon all that stuff out of there and all the cats come to see what smells so good, get that down in the shaker, say hi to Barkley, and we're ready for the next item. Now, I recommend you put the coconut cream in here before it being the last item, because you're actually going to rinse this out with the pineapple juice. We need 4 ounces, so 2 of these, and that'll wring out our jigger in the process. You just need a splash of VSOP. This is probably not even a half an ounce. And also just a splash of grenadine. Now what you can't see, Barkley's sitting here, Panther's down below. They're taunting each other. I guess Barkley has the high ground. You're going to shake this up. Fresh ice into your glass. And then just strain this over the ice. And there it is. Down goes Barkley. And this is my version of Caribbean rum punch. Man, that's good. This is the kind of drink that takes your brain to summer, makes you want to be at the beach, just makes you think of good times. So until next time, eat and drink fabulous. Drop me a line, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. Let me know if there's something you want me to make. And I'll see you for the next one.